Okay, stop. Once again. Now we do 15 seconds. Okay. Whoever does it most number of times, you get to choose a punishment for others. Okay? Understood? You can ask them to do 5 jumping jacks, 5 push-ups, anything. So if you win, you have the power. Okay? Ready? 15 seconds and start. Count. Keep count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. How much did you do?
8.
Anyone more than 8? 9? Anyone more than 9? No? Okay, you 3 decide what they have to do.
5 burpees.
5 burpees, okay? Remember, who, him and him? What, no coach?
I didn't. Now only.
Who was inside? Who lost? He did 9, you did 9, you did 9. Who else was inside?
Hari?
Okay, everybody else does 5 burpees after the class, okay? Ready? Change and start. Ready and start. Okay, calm down. Now 15 seconds, we start the competition, okay? Stop. On my count. Ready? And start. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. How much did you do? More than 6? More than 8? Okay, so you win this round, okay? So 1, 2, and who else was last? Him? Okay. Okay, go drink a water and come that side, quick. Have a sip of water and come, quick.
ಕಾಲು ಬಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ
Bobby. Can you pass the balls from there? Boys, ball here. Keep the ball here. Okay, boys, come. Fast. Okay, I want 5 of you in this orange, 6 of you in that orange. Or 6 here and 5 there. Go, quick. Quick.
Any 6 over there, any 5 over there, quick.
Okay. Very simple, Sudarshan. This side. You want to go there? You want to go? Then watch. Okay? Watch. Very simple. You don't do any of this now. It's just a straight run. Okay? Don't do this. Just go straight. Okay, start. Straight. Ball. Control. And finish. Okay? You guys, turn. Ball. Control. Finish. Ready? Start. What? If you don't ask for the ball, I don't give. Go. Go, go, go. Next, next, next. As fast as you can. Yes. Yes. Control. And finish. Okay. Very good. Control. And finish. Just control. Control and finish. Okay. Okay. Ready? Control, control, and then you finish. Control, and then you finish. Ready? Yes. Very good. Control and finish. Okay. Ready? Control. Very good. Control and finish. Ready? Control and finish. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Go back. You boys come closer now. Come closer, quick. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, what are we training now?
Aerial control.
What?
Aerial control.
Aerial control. What do you think is very important for aerial control?
The first draw, the first touch.
The first touch, okay. How should the first touch be?
On the position with the
Okay. Ball. Can my first touch be like this?
weight, the heavy.
Yes. Have a very soft touch. Try to control it inside your maybe 1 meter or maybe 2 meter circle. Okay. So I wait for the ball. Watch the ball all the way. Control and finish. Now I am only looking at the way you control, not the finish. Okay. Only looking at the way you control. Boys who are doing here, you can control with chest, thigh, feet. Okay. Boys over there, only with your feet. Understood?
Okay, good.
Okay. Now once you finish this, you move there. Once you finish this, you move here. Understood? Start.
Yeah, switching sides. Make sure you go around.
Balls, ball. Yes, ask for the ball. If you don't ask, I don't give. Go. Go next, next. All the way. Ask for the ball. Yes. Very good. Ready? Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Soft touch. Okay. You can do better. Ready? Soft touch. Okay. Ready? Soft touch. Superb. Ready? And soft touch. Watch the ball. Very good. Okay. Inside your. Ready? It's okay. Have a soft touch. Have a soft touch. Only. Come again. Come again. Ready? Go. As fast as you can. Turn. If you don't ask, I don't give. Go back. Next. Ask for the ball. Yes. Can you control it? Wasim, control. I want to see you control and then finish, okay? Understood? Why? In a match, do you play with shin pads or no? Yeah? So play with it fast, as fast as you can. Yes. Control. And finish. Okay, very good. Superb. Very good. Okay, good try. Yes. Okay, if you take a softer touch, stop. Come here, come here. Call him, no, Bhavan. You only come. Him. So if you take a softer touch over here, watch the ball all the way, you will be able to control. What happened over here?
I took a hard touch.
Yeah, and the ball went away. Yeah, in a match, if you do that, defender's on you. Yeah, so if you take it under control, you can pass, you can dribble, you can finish. The important thing is you take it under control. Try again. Come here. From here. Ready? Soft touch. Watch the ball all the way. Get it under your circle. Ready? Okay. Very good. Start. Ready? Yes. Very good. Next one. Go. Yes. Ready? And go. Control inside your circle. Ready? Yes. And stop. I want again 5 there, 6 here, or 6 there and 5. Quick. Split yourself. 6 people there, 5 people here. Okay. Now after you finish, after I get the ball and I finish, I go over here. Okay, go over here, throw the ball, then all the way there. Understood? So you finish, go over there, throw the ball, and all the way there. Okay? Once, boys, one thing we add, now we do this. Go, ball, control, finish, take the ball, throw, then over there. Understood? Yes? One of you go there, one of you go here and start.
So they become the server, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wait, just stay there and assist them. Ready and start. Thank you. Focus on your control. Watch the ball on the way. Take a soft touch, okay? You have to do the zigzag, okay? Ball. Who's there? Ball. Very good. Zigzag all the way. Yes, go. Ask for the ball. Shout for the ball. Go. Control it. Okay, I want to see you control. But it's a good try. Okay. And stop. Back to positions. Wasim, back to position. Okay, finish it. Okay, back to your position, Wasim. Fazin, finish it and go back to your position. That's a good control. Stop. Okay, now it's going to be a little bit different. After I finish here, I ask for the ball from him. Okay, so just put it a little bit in front of me. Yes, pass, control, and finish. After I finish here, I ask for the ball from him. Ball. Okay, now watch how coach is serving. It's very important you serve it a little bit forward. So I finish, ball. Okay, control and finish. Understood? Why is there only 4 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, good. Okay, ready? Start. Yes, ask for the ball. Go there, go there. You finish, where do you go? From there, yeah. Go there, yeah. Very good, Pawan. Superb. Talk. Make sure your teammate knows you're giving the ball. Start. Who's here? You have to be there, yes. Very good, superb. Very good.
What? Great.
Okay. Last round. And you stop. Yes. Very good. Can you control? Very good. Okay, everyone come here. Quick. Closer. Now it's a very logical thing. Once I go here, how do I ask for the ball if I want the ball? Yeah? So either I can ask pass, I can show. Yes? Do I turn like this and ask? How should my body be?
Way of direction in the same path.
Yes. So open up your body. Whoever is passing, wherever you want to go, receive the ball in between. Okay? So once I turn, I know ball is coming. Ball. And then if it doesn't come here, if it's coming here, then it's good. You can turn, control, and go. But your initial position is always look at who's passing, look at where you're going, open up your body, and then you go. Okay? And then you control and finish. Okay?